Apartment List Real Estate Investment App Review. Usage experience. Links to Apartment List and related resources can be found in the description below. Apartment List is primarily a platform designed to help renters find apartments, but its utility for real estate investors lies in its ability to provide market insights and data that can inform strategic investment decisions. In this video, I'll share how Apartment List can be leveraged by investors, its key features, and who it's best suited for. One of the standout features of Apartment List is its comprehensive apartment database. The platform aggregates listings from multiple sources, providing a detailed overview of rental availability in various markets. For real estate investors, this data can be a valuable tool for analyzing local demand, rental rates, and occupancy trends, especially in markets they are considering for multifamily or single-family rental investments. The platform's user-friendly interface allows you to filter properties by location, price range, amenities, and more. While it's tailored for renters, investors can use these filters to gain a snapshot of what renters in a specific area are looking for. Understanding tenant preferences helps investors target the right property types and locations. Apartment List also provides rental pricing data and trends, which are crucial for real estate investors conducting market research. By comparing rental prices across neighborhoods or cities, you can identify undervalued markets or areas with high growth potential. This information can guide you in making smarter purchasing decisions. Another advantage is Apartment List's transparent reviews and property information, which give you insights into tenant satisfaction and management quality for existing properties. For investors looking to buy rental properties, these reviews can highlight potential issues or confirm a property's desirability. However, Apartment List is not a direct investment platform, so you won't find real estate deals or property management services here. Instead, it's a supplementary tool for market research and tenant demand analysis. In conclusion, Apartment List is a useful resource for real estate investors seeking to analyze rental markets and make data-driven decisions about where to invest. Its extensive database, pricing insights, and tenant-focused features make it an excellent tool for market research. Check the links in the description to explore Apartment List and see how it can complement your real estate investment strategy. This review should help clarify whether Apartment List is a valuable resource for your investment journey.